morning, children. Have you ever wondered what shape is your pencil box, an ice cream cone, a dice, or a ball? I know most of you are aware of these solid shapes. Come, let's know more about them.
Solid figures. Till now, we learnt about plane shapes, but now we are going to learn about figures with 3 dimensions. That is length, breadth and height. These figures occupy fixed amount of space. Some solid figures are cube, cuboid, cone, cylinder, sphere. Before watching the video, keep a Rubik's cube or a dice, a matchbox or a pencil box, a tin can or a steel flask, a birthday cap or an ice cream cone and a ball. To see the details of the faces, vertices and edge as we study about the solid figures. Before we move further, we need to know what is a plane surface and a curved surface. A plane surface is a flat surface, while a curved surface is a circular round surface. See, in the case of a blackboard or a book, you see the surface is plain and flat. While when you touch a globe or a football or a ball, you see the surface is curved or round or circular. Now we come to a cube. A cube has 8 vertices. Vertices means the corners. Now what are they? They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So they are the vertices. Now we see the edges. There are 12 edges in a cube. They are AB, BD, CD, AC, CE, EF, DF, GE, GH, HF, GA and BH. So they are the edges of the cube. Next is the faces. So these are plane faces. So how many plane faces does a cube have? Let us see. There are 6 plane faces. They are CDEF, GHAB, ACEG, BDFH, EFGH and ABCD. So here all the 6 faces are identical squares. So let us see some of the examples of a cube. Ice cube, dice, Rubik's cube, cheese cubes, sugar cubes. You may pick a Rubik's cube and find all the edges, faces and vertices of a cube. Next is a cuboid. Now let us see how many vertices a cuboid has. That is the corners. So a cuboid has 8 vertices. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H. Now let us find out how many edges it has. It has 12 edges. What are they? They are AB, BD, CD, AC, CE, EF, DF, GE, GH, HF, GA and BH. Now we come to see how many plane faces it has. So it also has 6 plane faces. Now what are they? CDEF, GHAB, ACEG, BDFH, EFGH, ABCT. Okay? Now here we need to notice that the opposite faces are identical because in a cuboid, each face resembles a rectangle. Whereas in a cube, each face of a cube resembles a square. Some examples of cuboid are matchbox, books, gift box, bricks, and your lunchbox carrying yummy lunch. Now we come to the next solid figure, and that is a cylinder. A cylinder has 2 plane faces and 1 curved face. So plane face means a flat face and a curved face means a rounded circular face. So here it has 2 plane face and 1 curved face. It has 2 edges but it has no vertices, that is no corners, no vertices. Examples: a paint can, a thread reel, soda cans, which you are very familiar with, I am sure, a post box and pipes. So you may pick your water bottle or your soda can and see the number of edges and faces a cylinder has. Next is a cone. A cone has 1 plane face and 1 curved face. And then it has 1 edge and 1 vertex. The examples of cones are a Christmas tree, an ice cream cone, a birthday cap, a megaphone, a funnel. Now you are very familiar with a birthday cap and an ice cream cone. So you may pick any one of this and see the number of edges, vertex and faces a cone has. Next is a spear. A spear has only 1 curved face. It has no vertices and no edges. And you know the examples. It is your football, your basketball, even the earth is a spear. And an orange, the yarn balls. You may verify the number of face your ball has. Now we come to the exercises. Tick the correct word given in the bracket. So, we have studied about plane and curved surface. The first one, the top of a table is a plane surface. Next, the egg has a curved surface. The globe has a curved surface. The blackboard has a plane surface. The book has a plane surface. Pick the following objects having both plane and curved surface. You know that plane means flat surface and curved means circular or rounded surface. So, except the harmonium, which resembles a cuboid, the other 3 instruments have both flat as well as curved surface. That means they have both plane and curved surface. Next, fill in the blanks. A cube has all dash of the same size, all faces. So all faces are of same size because each face is a square, and you know that the sides of a square are equal. There are two plane surfaces in a cylinder. You remember when you saw the cylinder, you found there were two plane surfaces and one curved surface. The number of edges in a cuboid is 12. Dash faces of a cuboid are identical. Identical means same. So the opposite faces of a cuboid are identical. A sharpened pencil. Look at the picture. A sharpened pencil is a combination of a cone. That is, the tip of the pencil looks like a cone and a cylinder. The rest part looks like a cylinder. Now we have to state whether it is true or false. A cupboard is the shape of a cuboid. That is true. A cricket ball has no edges. That is true because it is a sphere. A pencil has one curved and two plane surface. That is true because it looks like a cylinder. The faces of a cuboid are in the shape of a square. Is it true? No. It is false. The faces of a cuboid are in the shape of a rectangle. Now quickly let us sum up. See, the number of faces, plane face and curved face, and edges and vertices the following solid shapes have. Cuboid has 6 faces, 6 plane faces, and curved faces it has none, 12 edges and 8 vertices. This we noticed in the figures given. Cylinder has 3 faces, 2 plane and 1 curved face, 2 edges and no corners or vertices. A cone has 2 faces, 1 plane and 1 curved, and 1 edge and 1 vertex. A sphere has 1 face. It has no plane faces, only 1 curved face, no edges and no vertices. A cube has 6 faces, that is all are plane faces, no curved faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Now today, touch and feel the faces, vertices, edges of as many objects you can and try to find out which solid shape it resembles with. Do the assignment given neatly. Thank you, children.